Hello, let's go ahead and review Lesson 2 for Simple Solutions Math. So, our first question is 364 minus 153, and I am going to work that out over in the corner right here, and I'm going to label it number 1 so that way I can easily locate it. You all have a sheet on the other side where you can record your work as well. Feel free to use that. 364 minus 153. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So I am going to record my answer over here. Again, you have a place where you can record your answers as well. I'm going to change colors now. Our next question is 6 plus 8. This is something that we can solve in our head. I like to pop the large number in my head, 8, and count up by 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Our answer is 14. Color change. We are skip counting by 5s, and we need to fill in the blank. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Number 4, write the base 10 number, 200 plus 50 plus 3. What type of way are we representing our number? What do you call that form? If you said expanded form, you are correct. So now whenever it says base 10 number, that's just a fancy way of telling you to write it the regular way. Hopefully you were able to quickly solve that it is 253. If you would like to set it up like an addition problem, you can do that as well. Number 5, we can solve this in our head. This is quick math facts. 7 minus 4 is 3. Number 6, Lisa had 12 flowers. She gave 4 to her teacher. How many does she have left? If she had 12 flowers and she gave 4 away, this is a subtraction problem. And this is one that we can solve in our head, hopefully. 12 minus 4 is 8. She had 8 left. Number 7 is 48 plus 16. I'm going to stack this up, and I'm going to do it right here. Hopefully you're able to follow me. I wrote the number 7 so that way I would locate it easily. 48, oops, let me back that up. 48 plus 16. We're going to have to regroup here. 8 plus 6 is 14. And I'm going to carry this group of 1 right here. So we can add it to our tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Your answer is 64. Number 8 says, name the shape. What shape is that, boys and girls? Correct, rectangle. So, since we are naming it, I'm just going to write it right here. Rectangle. Number 9, fill in the sign to make this sentence true. I like to think of my greater than or less than signs as a crocodile's mouth, because let's be honest, that's pretty cool. The crocodile is always going to eat the larger number, and that's my way of being able to figure it out. 65 is larger than 37, so wait for it. Bam! 65 is greater than 37. For number 10, it's asking for us to do subtraction problem, and I'm going to record my answer right here. I wrote number 10. 96 minus 44. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. Hopefully you were able to get the answer 52. All right. Number 11. What is 100 less than 510? I can solve this without any math by looking at my hundreds place right here, which is 5. 100 less than 500 would put me at 400, and my tens and ones place is not going to change. 100 less than 510 is 410. For question 12, it says, what is the time shown on the clock? I always look for my shorter hand because that represents our hour. Right here, we are at 8. It's between 8 and 9 o'clock. It's not quite at 9 o'clock, so it is still 8 as our hour. And the long hand, which represents our minute, is pointing directly at the 8. I am going to skip count by 5 to figure out the actual minutes time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So the time is 8:40. Number 13 says, any closed shape with exactly 4 sides and 4 angles is a quadrilateral. Which is not a quadrilateral? Remember, it has to have 4 sides and 4 angles. Do you see which one is not a quadrilateral? Let's look. A has 4 sides. B has 4 sides. C, has 6 sides. Is that a quadrilateral? Let's look at D. D has 4 sides as well. C is the one that is not a quadrilateral. Number 14 says, write 53 using words. We are going to transform this into word form. I'm going to write it right here. Hopefully, you're using your number chart to be able to help you spell this correctly. And I'm going to record it right here. 50-3. And last but not least, we have number 15. Jason has 2 quarters and 1 dime. How much money does he have? I'm a visual learner, so I am going to draw a picture. All right, so here's my big fat quarters. A quarter is worth 25 cents and 25 cents, and a dime is worth 10. Now we need to figure out how much money we have in all. Oh, I'm thinking about when I have quarters, I know 25 plus 25 is 50, and 50 plus 10 more is 60. Hopefully you were able to get that there is 60 cents here, and that is our cents symbol.